How to increase dedicated video memory in Windows 10. So what you need to do is know your GPU specification first of all. You can go to your task manager and look for your GPU specification. Just press Ctrl+Shift+ESC and the task manager will appear on your screen. Here, let me make it big first of all, and then go to performance. Under performance, you can see the GPU. And you can see your device GPU. I have 2 GB GPU. And that way you can see your GPU's memory. And let me close this first of all. Go to your home screen and type Windows plus R key. And then type regedit. And enter OK. And here you need to expand H key local machine. Expand it. And scroll down a bit. Then go to software, expand it, expand Intel folder and create a new key under it. The new key GMM. Just right click on and create a new folder, the word 32-bit value, and type in dedicated segment size. And then enter and right click on it and smash modify and set the value according to how much RAM you have. Since I have 2 GB RAM, I'm gonna type in 256 and enter OK. And then restart your PC to apply the changes. You may see that your dedicated memory in Windows 10 has increased. So in this way you can do it, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.